In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see who liked your Instagram video. Okay, so all you need to do is go to the video that you want to see who liked it. And I'll go to this video here, for example. And then if I scroll down, you can see it has 38,000 views. And if you go ahead and tap on that number, it's going to load up a different screen. And it's going to show the total amount of views, and then it's going to show liked by. And these people in this list are all the people that liked this specific video. And the people that you follow will be at the top, so you can quickly see who those people are. And then you can scroll down and see every single account that liked that specific video. Now you can't unfortunately see who viewed your Instagram video. It's not going to show 38,000 accounts in this list, but you can definitely see who liked your video. So that is how you see who liked your Instagram video. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.